Today I'm going to be showing you the increase KLL, which is knit left loop, and it is an invisible increase, so it doesn't leave a hole at all when you use it. So we're going to be inserting the left hand needle into one of the legs on the stitch that we just knitted. So we don't want to go into the very top one, and we're going to insert from back to front. And you can see that our working yarn, the yarn that we were working with, is in that loop. So that's a no-no. If you were to do your stitch there, when you go back on a purl or a knit row, the stitch that you made is just going to disappear. So instead what we need to do is we need to go down a stitch. So we're going to go into this second stitch. And then we look and we see that we don't have our working yarn coming out of it, so that's good. We're going to insert our right hand needle into the back of the stitch, and then we're going to knit. And then take it off, and we have created our stitch. So let's knit one more, and I'll show you that again. So again, we don't go into the top one, we go into the second one from the back. We put it onto our left hand needle. We go into the loop, wrap around, bring it through, and then it comes off. So now we knit one. You have to knit at least one stitch between them. You can't just keep doing the increase into the same stitch. So we're going into our second loop. So again, not this one here because our yarn is connected to that. So we go to the next one, insert, and then knit through the back loop. Okay, and that is our KLL. And you can see that it does make these little diagonal loops here. Okay, that is fine. That's what you want it to look like. And that is how we do a KLL.